Hello and welcome to Palawan, one of the most beautiful islands in the Philippines. This time we're leaving El Nido and heading a bit further north to Nacpan Beach, about a 45-minute drive from town. Nacpan is a long, golden stretch of sand that has gained international recognition, recently ranking among the top beaches in Asia, and we couldn't agree more. In this video, we'll show you exactly why. With its relaxed atmosphere, wide open space, and stunning coastline, it's easy to see what makes this place so special. Let's take a closer look. Beach is located on the northern part of Palawan, northeast of El Nido town. It sits along the open coast facing the Philippine Sea, which gives it a much wider, more open feel compared to the sheltered beaches inside Backwit Bay. The sand here is fine, soft, and golden. Not powder white, but smooth and pleasant to walk on, even for long beach walks. Combined with the length of the beach and the open horizon, it creates a very different atmosphere from the island hopping spots around El Nido. Nacpan stretches for roughly 4 kilometers, giving it an incredibly open and spacious feel. Along the shore, you'll find plenty of coconut palms lining the beach, adding to the tropical atmosphere and natural beauty that make this place feel so incredible. While there may be even more visually dramatic beaches around El Nido, Nacpan offers something few places still have: space, calm, and truly natural feel. Its long, uninterrupted shoreline and open ocean views create a sense of freedom that's rare today. The beach remains relatively undeveloped, clean, and uncrowded, allowing you to fully relax and enjoy the scenery. Combined with beautiful sunsets and a laid-back atmosphere, it's easy to see why this place consistently ranks among the best beaches in the region. The water here comes straight from the Philippine Sea, and it's beautifully clear and warm. Temperatures usually range between 27 and 30 degrees Celsius, making it perfect for swimming at any time of day. The gentle waves and wide shoreline are great, not only for relaxing in the water, but also for activities like long swims, beach walks, and even surfing on windier days. Thanks to the open coastline and steady breeze, Nacpan feels refreshing and never too hot. A place where you can stay for hours without rushing anywhere. can really see how inviting the water is. Even this dog couldn't resist jumping in for a quick swim to cool off. Despite its beauty, the beach remains incredibly peaceful. Apart from the dog, we only came across a handful of people enjoying the water as well. That calm atmosphere is likely because Nacpan is quite far from El Nido town, but it's absolutely worth the journey. If you're planning a visit, we'd recommend setting aside at least a full day. Once you arrive, you really won't want to leave. In the central part of the beach, where the main parking area and tuk-tuk drop-off are located, you'll find a few restaurants and a hostel, nothing more. In this area, you can also rent sunbeds, grab some refreshments, and enjoy the sea, which is perfect for swimming. We decided to walk a bit further away from that area, all the way to a quiet, empty stretch under the palm trees, where we can truly enjoy the solitude and calm. Since we're spending almost all day here, it was time to grab some food. We stopped by Mad Monkey, which is both a restaurant and a hostel. The food was really good. The portions were a bit smaller, but it did the job. And of course, a cold Red Horse, Filipino beer, couldn't be missing. After lunch, we headed straight back to the beach. This time we moved to the opposite side of the beach, which was just as quiet. There was no one around us, only a few people walking along the shore. It's incredibly beautiful here. The place we're looking at right now is part of what's known as the Twin Beaches. At one end, Nacpan Beach seamlessly connects with Calitang Beach, creating a unique twin bay formation. From the nearby viewpoint, reachable by a short hike, you get a stunning panoramic view of both beaches at once, often considered one of the most beautiful viewpoints on Palawan. It's an ideal spot for drone shots or wide panoramic views. A walk along the 4-kilometer coastline takes you past gently swaying palm groves, simple fishing boats, and small, authentic beach huts. With a bit of luck, you might even spot sea turtles gliding slowly through the clear water. Unlike some more commercial beaches, Nacpan is still home to local families and fishermen. You can watch traditional wooden banca boats heading out to sea, and sometimes even see fishermen working their nets. Just offshore from the Twin Beaches, you can spot a few small islets scattered across the horizon, known as the Baylog Islands. These tiny limestone formations sit just off the coast and add another layer to the dramatic seascape. This was Nacpan Beach. What do you think about it? For us, it's an unforgettable place, full of peace, the kind that's becoming increasingly rare. We would definitely love to come back here someday. After returning from Nacpan, we're taking one last moment to enjoy the beautiful sunset at our Karang Beach. Tomorrow, we'll be leaving El Nido and heading to Karan Island. Another adventure that's sure to be amazing. And one last tip, check out Lion's Sunset Lounge. This cozy beachfront spot offers delicious food, outstanding service, and stunning views.